Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet these cute little mini Christmas stockings. I used a 3.75 millimeter crochet hook and a medium 4-weight yarn. You can use this pattern to make any size stocking that you want just by making some adjustments to the yarn and crochet hook size. These would look super cute as a Christmas ornament or hanging from the mantle. You could also use this as a little gift bag and tuck some sweets and treats inside for those people in your life that are hard to shop for. In today's video, I'll show you how to do a one solid color stocking. I have a written pattern available that shows you how to crochet 8 different designs. You'll find a link to the written pattern in the description box below. Grab your hook and some yarn and let's have some fun crocheting this cute little Christmas stocking. I'm using a regular magic ring for this project, but I do have a separate tutorial on how to do the double ring method, and you'll find a link in my description box. Chain 1 to secure the ring. We start with 8 single crochets into the magic ring. I'll be using the single crochet cross stitch for this project. The cross stitch method gives you a nice tight fabric with fewer gaps. We'll be working in continuous rounds, so you'll want to have a stitch marker handy to put in the first stitch. Close the magic ring. For round 2, we increase in each of the 8 stitches from the previous round, so 2 single crochets into each stitch. At the end of the round, you'll have 16 stitches. For round 3, we start with a single crochet in the first stitch, increase in the next stitch. We'll repeat that sequence 7 more times. Single crochet in the next stitch, increase in the next. Single crochet in the next stitch, increase in the next. At the end of the round, you'll have 24 stitches. For rounds 4 through 13, you'll put one single crochet into each stitch from the previous round. You'll have 24 stitches in each round. Pause the video and I'll meet you at the beginning of round 14. After 13 rounds, your work should look like this. Now we're going to start working on the heel, and the heel is worked in rows. We'll do a single crochet in the first 12 stitches. You'll leave the remaining stitches unworked. Chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet in each of the next 12 stitches. Chain 1 and turn the work. Continue working in rows of 12 single crochet stitches for rows 16 through 19. You'll have a total of 6 rows with 12 stitches each. You'll chain 1 and turn the work after each row. Pause the video and I'll meet you at the end of row 19. At the end of row 19, your work should look like this. Now we need to close the heel. We'll fold the stocking in half lengthwise. We'll put 6 single crochet stitches along the top edge of row 19, going through both layers. Chain 1 and line up the stitches. Insert your hook under both top loops of each layer. As an alternative, you could also do a whip stitch or a slip stitch. It gets really tight near the end of the row, so it can be hard to get that 6th stitch in. Just do the best you can. Fasten off and sew in the tail. need the right side of the heel facing out. Push on the seam so that the right side is facing outward and the seam is on the inside. For the remainder of the stocking, we go back to working in rounds. We'll join our yarn at the center of the back heel. This is the middle of the heel. We'll start by joining the yarn one stitch to the left of the center. The heel was worked in rows, so we'll be working one single crochet into the edge of each row. Now we'll work on the top sole of the stocking, so we'll do one single crochet in each of the next 12 stitches. We'll finish the round by doing one single crochet into the edge of each of the 6 rows for the heel. For rounds 21 through 32, you'll do one single crochet into each of the stitches from the previous round. Each round will have 24 stitches. Pause the video and I'll meet you at the end of round 32. After completing 32 rounds, your work should look like this. To complete the stocking, we'll make a hanger. We're at the end of round 32, and you can see it's a little off center from the back of the stocking. This may or may not be the case with your stocking. All we need to do is single crochet until we're at the center back of the stocking so that our hanger will be nice and centered. To make the hanger, we'll chain 15. Slip stitch into the same stitch that we just worked out of for the chain 15. Fasten off and sew in the tail. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.